really think that they want the global warming thing to not be solved.
Oh, 100%.
Because then they have an issue to campaign off.
Yes, exactly. And you want to know what's sad? It's like they could 100% do the complete opposite of what they're doing. Like, make profit off of fixing the climate.
Yeah,
you know?
that's the whole thing. My point being said is that they're trying to make profit off of trying to fix the climate, and like they realize that when you fix it, you can't make a profit anymore.
Forever. Okay,
right.
Yeah, it's own.
Right. So you gotta just keep telling people that there's climate change, because this is not climate change. It snowed in Florida like a month ago.
This is just the polar vortex.
The polar vortex. The scary polar vortex.
It's coming for us. No, the polar vortex is there year round. It's always there. It shrinks and it expands, and it expands in the winter, and hence why we get snow from Canada or cold weather from Canada.
So strong polar vortex is a good thing if you don't want cold air.
Correct.
So when they say on that media, the polar vortex is coming down, it doesn't mean it's strong and it's coming down with a lot of might to smite everybody down to the ground. I don't know. I feel like we could make an entire podcast about weather versus climate and what people think is scary when it's really not. Yeah. That's definitely a good one, yeah. I like doing like the debunking kind of things, like
so much false information is being put out there, and I even see it on my For You page of like, there's this one man, oh I wish I remember his name, because man, do I got some things to say to him. He is a broadcaster. I don't know if he has his degree in broadcasting, but he just posts social media about updates and whatnot. And he was telling people, do you remember the fog incident?
Yeah, of course. Everyone was saying the fog was
Did they ever test it? What was it? Was it fog? Because don't get me wrong, some of the videos with their flashlight on, like.
Yeah, keep going. I'll pull it up.
Of course, fog looks like particles when you put a flash on it. Okay. Like when you shine light, which can act like a wave or particle, but of course light is going to act like a wave on a smaller object, hence fog particles. It's going to make the fog look particle-y. Although I will say that the particles did look kind of big to be fog.
Right. I mean, like here's like a video right here. Bring camera.
They look
show for everyone so they can see it too. Here. Pull this up.
Yeah, everyone was like, what is it? Just test it. Let me know. If there was fog here, I would have done the atmospheric test.
All right. There we go. You're being slow right now. All right, let's take a look at it.